favorite chef. Let's get cooking! Chef Maya. Everything's good. Chef Maya. Everything's good. I make food like you should. And when I make food, everything's good. My name's Maya, Chef Maya. Let's get cooking. Turn up the fire. Chef Maya. Everything's good. Chef Maya. Everything's
And I'm Jazzy, and I'm Fire. I'm the sister of Chef Maya.
Chef Maya. Everything's good. Chef Maya. Everything's good. And just wait till I'm the chefiest chef in the universe.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. Today we will be going all the way to Paris, France to make the most delicious tomato basil soup from La Madelines. So let's get started. First you want to get some crushed tomatoes, some tomato juice, heavy whipping cream, fresh basil leaves, and now you want to pour 2 cups of tomato juice into a saucepan, but you have to measure it in a liquid measure. And then pour it in. You want like a pretty big one, and then get the can of crushed tomatoes. We got the Hunt's brand because like that's the only brand that we can find. So, open it. I almost said open it up, but open it up with a can opener, and it should look like that. Then pour 2 cups of it into a liquid measure. And yes, this kind of looks satisfying. Did a little close up, you know. So 2 cups of it. Then pour it in with the tomato juice into the saucepan and combine it until nice and, yummy and delicious-y. And then put it on a stovetop on low and simmer for 30 minutes. I know that's a long time, but yeah, 30 minutes. But we got to make it perfecto. So it should look like this after. And then after that, you want to put it in a blender with 7 basil leaves and blend it up. And then pour it into the saucepan again. Get 1/2 cup of heavy cream and put it in and mix it up. And now we need the butter. And put 4 tablespoons of butter and put some pepper and salt and serve it with croissant. Bye!
See you next time.